squared. Its bell was cracked and blackened, but still it waited there. The brave had climbed its staircase with smoke inside their lungs to ring one final warning before the night had come. And when their hands found iron rope, the sound became our hope. Bell tower of the brave, ring above the flame, call us from the grave, thunder out his name. Bell tower of the brave, shake the storming sky, tell the broken kingdom the faithful never die. The streets below were burning, the gates had almost failed. The watchmen on the ramparts were wounded, blind and pale. But from that tower's shadow, a sound began to rise, like heaven striking